Guys, we're gonna color. Wow, who is that? Can you show who is that? Who's that, Grace? Who's that? Who's that? You paint Pooh? Who's that? Where's your teeth? Can you see your teeth? Ooh, where's your tongue? And where's your mouth? That's teeth, mouth. Oh. Ah. Where's your eyes? Can you blink your eyes? Oh, blink, blink. How about your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Oh, yeah, that's your nose. Good job. Can you show your hands? No, show the camera. Where's your hands? Show your hand. Oh, look at your hand. Oh, and that's your tummy. Where's your head? Oh, yeah. Your shoulders? Where's your shoulders? Oh, yeah. Head, shoulders. Oh, knees. Yep. Can you say I love you? Oh. Oh. Can you look sad? How sad. Oh, head. Head. Shoulders. Where's your hand? Where's your arms? Where's your arms? Your arms? Wow, good job. And there's your fingers. Can you say two? Show two. Good job, two. Good job. Yeah. Are you going to be 2 years old? Huh? You're going to be a big girl. Can you say who you're painting? Are you painting Pooh Bear? Oh, good job. Good job.